Karp is a manufacturer, and we've been in business for 65 years, and we've always tried to manufacture in an environmentally sensitive way. Fortunately for us, it's been pretty easy. We're a sheet metal fabricator, so the vast majority of our inputs, our raw material, is recyclable. So we've always been able to be environmentally conscious in that sort of way. We've been in this building we came here in 2011, so this is our 10th year. We moved from Maspeth, and when we outfitted the building, we thought about not just the most efficient way to manufacture, but also would minimize our impact from an energy standpoint. Since we've moved into a new facility, I've been focusing on green technologies that not only made sense for the bottom line, but also made sense for the environment. So we've done things like geothermal, where our office space is cooled and heated by a geothermal well that we have that's outside our building. It also cools our water that we use in our manufacturing processes. Solar was the continuation of that process. And when SUNation called, and we started looking at solar again, and they expressed a unique opportunity, which is community solar to me, the numbers sort of make sense. And so that was the point where our economic goals and needs met our environmental objectives. And it's been an amazing process for us.
SUNation Solar just completed the largest community solar installation at Karp in Melville. One of the things that they were very much interested in was energy efficiency. So what we ended up doing there was a community solar array. And again, in community solar, the electricity that is produced on the roof results in electricity that gets exported into the grid to be distributed by PSEG and LIPA. The electricity is sold off in little pieces to many, many individual homeowners. This is a tremendous way for Karp to generate energy savings, but at the same time, Karp, there's probably over 200 homeowners across Long Island who will be saving on their electric bills from the electricity that is produced by this phenomenal system.
We chose SUNation because of the years of experience they had and the expertise that they brought to the project. We knew that this was a large-scale project, and we wanted to make sure that we partnered with an organization that had done things of similar size and who would be able to sort of walk us through the process. There was no interruption to our business other than seeing some crates on the side of the building. I think there are employees in my company that didn't even know that it happened, and that's I think that's as good of a compliment as you can make to a company who handles a project of this size, that it didn't interrupt our business and it was easy.